Hi, this is Lock Picking Gal. I'm going over the pick sides for Series 3. These are what he is making. And I've already glued some of them on and tested them out. The blue I glued onto the Valerian set, and the red I glued onto some of the Sparrow set, and the green I even glued onto the Sparrow set. The 12s. I don't know if any of you have ever ordered picks that didn't come with the sides, but for me, it really hurts my hands after picking for a while, and this just makes it a lot easier to hold to pick. And you don't really lose any feedback, which I really like. They're really easy to place on. What I did, which I don't know if I did it the correct way, I took two of the sides, which this is a Valerian pick, so I'm going to go with the blue, because the pick sides come in 3 different sizes. The green ones are a little bit thicker, and the red are the medium, and the blue are the thinnest, which really they're not that much thinner. Once they're placed onto the picks, they all appear about the same size. What I did was I took the pick side and placed it onto the metal, and I just took a little marker, and you don't have to do this. It's easier for me, and I just kind of marked it. And I did that on both sides. And then I took a little bit of sandpaper. I took a little strip, and I just kind of sandpapered it. It's just to help the glue stick to the middle. And I know not to go past that point. I don't know if you could see the little markings. And I use coarse sandpaper. Of course, there could be easier ways to do this, but this is just the way that I did it. You can see the little scratches, I hope. And then I took a little bit of super glue. And it doesn't take very much. And I'm terrible with super glue. I just lost the pink side. It's still sticky, but I'll need to put a little bit more glue. And I also try and rub off that blue a little bit. It's just more of a guide for me. And press on. It doesn't take very long to dry. And then I flip it over and do the other side. Okay, I just squeeze it together and I wipe it off. Any excess. Anything that doesn't come right off, I use a little bit of the glue gun. It's just a little bit of that. I'm sure that there's a number of products that you could use. And that's it. And it's all set. I mean, there's still a little bit, but it's not totally dry. But I love them. But if you get a chance, go on Series 3, his website, and he has these poses, and they are great to pick with. Let me